Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Dan the Fix-It Man. Got another quick video here for you. I'm going to show you how to change your cabin air filter in a 2008 Toyota Matrix. And on this particular job, I'm going to be using this cabin air filter made by Bosch. This is part number 6026C, and it is a premium cabin air filter with the HEPA rating here as well. And I will put a link to this part in the description. First thing we need to do is open the glove box, and you see over here on the side there's just this one Phillips screw holding that in. All we need to do is loosen and remove that screw. And then we can just kind of undo this arm here, and then if you come over here on either side of the glove box, you push in these tabs, and that allows you to drop the box down and it will just come out. It just kind of clips into these little holes right here. See these little parts right here clip into those. And we can set that down and out of the way. And then if you look right in here, this black cover right here is where your cabin air filter is located. And if you just use two hands or fingers on either side, there's these little tabs. Just press those in and this little cover will come off. You can set that aside. And then we can take out the old cabin air filter. And there's kind of the money shot right there. This one actually is got a huge hole in it because it's probably so plugged up that the debris was stopping the airflow, and it's obviously useless, not doing anything. And the airflow in this one, as you can see, is going down. So of course that's trash. We'll get rid of that one. And we can open up our new filter here. This is showing the airflow also going down. So you just want to match that on the new filter. And then so we just take the new filter and put it right back in where the old one came out. This will be nice and snug. And just press it all the way in. And then just take that same cover plate. And you can see these parts right here line up with those two little notches or grooves on the sides. And just press it in until it snaps. And then we can take our glove box here, or glove compartment, and just line up those little tabs in the bottom. And then once you got the bottom started, you can just push up and those edges in the top will catch. And then that brings us back down here to this little arm. Just put that over this little part on the glove box. Put that screw back in. It's just a little Phillips screw. And you're done. And that's pretty much everything. Hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe if you did. I will put a link to that new cabin air filter in the description. Also just wanted to say thanks to Bosch for sending me the cabin air filter. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck.